Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do another little makeup tutorial. I'm using this palette. It's called the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place products, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. Anyways, so I'm just gonna start off with like doing my eyebrows now. I guess from the start, I didn't have a certain look I was going for, but I was like, you know what, let me just, think of something as I go. So, yeah, that's how I came up with this look. So what I'm gonna do now is add the color. I don't even know how to say this color, but look, it's the one all the way to the right, all the way down, and it's the dark blue on the palette. I'm so sorry, I hope that made sense, but yeah. So as you can see, I'm just kind of blending it into my crease, trying to make it like a little darker in the actual crease, but lighter on the outer corners of my eye. So as you can see, I'm just getting my little cut crease together. It's not perfect, but it works. And then I'm going to use the Zakaya color in the same palette, and I'm just going to start packing it on my lid where I did the cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to use that same dark blue color, just to kind of give it a little bit more, I guess, dramatic definition. I'm just going to use my angle brush and kind of put like a dark blue line right above the eyeshadow. Alright, so now you can see me just lightly blending everything together, and I keep checking, to make sure that it's looking the way I want it to look. And then that's all for the eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm just going to start with my top liner. I suck at top liner, and it doesn't seem like I'm getting any better, but I mean, I guess it's whatever. So now I'm just blending out the concealer that I put under my eye, and it's just to like help conceal the, what they call it, dark spots under my eyes and stuff. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just making sure that I blend it out really well. Alright, so next I'm just going to apply my Juvia's Place foundation, and this is the color Canu. I'm struggling, y'all, because I don't know if Kenu or Kenya is the right shade for me. I have both foundations, and I don't know. I guess my eyes just be playing tricks on me. But this video, I'm using Kenu, and yeah. So now I'm just going to add this Laura Mercier powder under my eye and kind of like in between my nose. I think they call it a T-zone, but I'm gonna add a little powder there. And since filming this video, I've learned that it's better to push the powder in your skin and let it stay there instead of wiping it off. So in order to do that, you just need to, use less powder. But anyways, y'all see it in my next video. But these lashes are on my site. They are for sale. They come in multi-pack, and I will list the link to that below. Alright, y'all, so after I have removed all the powder, this is the final look, and I must say, I like it. I think it's really cute, and I hope y'all like it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia.